today's video, we're going to go over a few different types of torches that you may find in a weld shop. The three types of torches I have in front of me are a water-cooled torch, an air-cooled torch with a single-piece power cable, and an air-cooled torch with a two-piece power cable. The primary way that an air-cooled torch is cooled is with the ambient air and the shielding gas that flows over the power cable through the torch head. The primary difference between these two air-cooled torches is the machines that they pair with. A single-piece power cable on an air-cooled torch is used with a machine that has a gas valve. If you have a machine that does not have a gas valve, it is common to use a two-piece torch, and they typically have a valve on the head. The water-cooled TIG torch in front of me is paired with a water cooler. The water cooler flows coolant through the water line, over the torch head, and back over the power cable to keep the torch cool. This is better for higher amperage applications and keeps your torch head much smaller. Next, we're going to compare air-cooled torches to water-cooled torches and why you may choose one over the other. Air-cooled torches are more simplistic, have a larger torch head, and larger power cable when compared to the water-cooled torch. A water-cooled torch will have a smaller torch head, higher duty cycle, or be able to weld for a longer duration, but setup and maintenance may be more complex when compared to an air-cooled torch. One of the major differences between an air-cooled torch and a water-cooled torch is the amount of copper required to flow power and keep it cool. And lastly, there's a wide variety of consumables available for all of these torches. For more information, visit millerwelds.com.